Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Right. Actually, after starting, you enter the register numbers. So after recording, only your numbers also will be recording. So before starting recording, if you enter, your numbers will not be saved in file. Okay. After starting class means once if I say good morning, is it visible PPT? Afterwards, you enter it. Otherwise, I will send the message good morning to all. Then you enter the messages. Okay. So visible now. Right. Where is Surya Prakash?
Yes, sir.
Surya Prakash, Nayana, not yet. Ajay, Reddy, Ajay Reddy, Jay, nobody has joined. Still they're
Not
sleeping.
there, sir.
Huh? Ajay, Surya Prakash, where is Surya Prakash? Huh? Surya Prakash. Okay. We'll start the designing process. Second one is nothing but the four pillars of the design. So this already we had discussed briefly. So next slide onwards we have to discuss. We'll move to the next slide now. All right. The four pillars of the design. The first one is nothing but the user interface requirement. So user interface requirement is nothing but the. So here is we have to mention clearly the requirements of the success of the development process. So when you want to success the development of the process, we need to enter clearly the informations for the what you want to do it. So clearly how to mention it. So to develop the business. So here second one is nothing but the layout. The user interface requirement is part of the overall requirement development and management process. So here is user interface requirement is part of the overall requirement development process. So UID is most important. So when you are connecting the people, so how you are connecting the people, which mode you are connecting, this is what. So the first one is you should have how to develop the your business model. So you have to tell to the convey to the users how you will be developing. For example, if you are doing any advertisements, so how they are giving. So requirements, all these things specifying the mentions to success that one. So next one is interfaces, how you are doing. So whether you want to give the items to shops or online or whatever it may be. So how you are giving the interfaces, that's what. Once you given to the users also, next again how you are taking care for that. Suppose if you take TV, if it is working fine, no problem. If you are getting some problems, so that how you are solving that one. That is what the second one. And the third one is nothing but the user interface requirements describe the system behavior. So user interfaces requirements describe the system behavior. So that is also interfaces requirement. So for example, that's what I told you in last class also this one. So if you are having mobile, that should be accommodated. Now see, Google Meet only, if you take what happened, many people are saying through mobile only. So you can be able to view the according to your screen, PPT is available. So even if you are using system also, there also it is available. So that means what? User interfaces requirement describe the system behavior also. System behavior also should be mentioned properly. So that is what it should accommodate wherever they are opening. So that is what the requirements they have to do it. That's what the user interfaces requirement. So now you assume that when we are taking the online classes, what's happening? Interfaces design. So because I am sitting at college and I'm taking the class, you are sitting at home and you are watching the classes. You are attending the online classes. So how the interfaces will be happening? So everybody, what is the requirements? Interfaces requirements means, so I should have the system, I should have the internet facilities, and I should have the PPTs. All these things the requirements. Now other end, if you are going, so as a users, you people should have the systems or mobile with internet, either system or mobile or any other one. So it is required to watch that one. So to communicate purpose, volume, all these things are called the requirements only. So that is what the user interfaces requirements. So then only we can be able to communicate. So all these things they made it. So Google, all these the Google Meet. So this is what the Scribe. So many things, many applications are available. So to communicate between one to another, video conference, all these things are available. That is what the interfaces requirements. So interfaces requirements is nothing but when you want to communicate between the two people, what are the requirements. So once it is there, then we can go ahead with items. Next is ethnographic observations. So this is nothing but the identifying and observing the user commonly in action. So common actions is nothing but this one. So still in detail, we will be discussing later this one once again. Second one, so guidelines, documents and process. Guidelines, documents, process. So here is just guidelines and documents is nothing but whatever we are doing that should be recorded. For example, when we are taking the classes, teachers will be updating your attendance documentation. So what we are teaching, what we have taken the classes, all these things will be documented. So timetable they will prepare in the department, all these things documentation. That's it. So now as a interfaces, what are the requirements is required that should be documented. So then only we can improve the things. So guidelines, documents and process, here is nothing is there to explain, just I'll read once. So each project has the different needs, but guidelines should be considered for every one project, one guidelines. So for example, if you are doing mini project, guidelines are different. Laboratory programs are different guidelines. So mini project different, PBL is different. So PBL is nothing but college. So because they have given the 20 marks internal option, so teacher can decide how they want to give it. So to give assignment, other activities like quiz, other activities like any activities they can conduct and they can give it. So here also they just for everything we should have the documentation. Here also same thing, whatever we are doing, everything we should give the documentation. So words, icons and graphics. So terminology, that is nothing but the objects and actions. So observations and capitalizations, that is what the first one. Next is character set, fonts, font size and font style. So either bold or italic or underline, all these things. See here some of the things, main headings I used to write it this one, 4 pillars of the designing, that is continuation under the topic only. See 4 pillars, that is nothing but under 2, that is continuation. Sometimes I'll write continuous, so otherwise that one. Under this, the first one we are discussing. Under that, the first one. Under that first. So second one is nothing but guidelines. Under the 4 pillars of the designing, guidelines. So how you are doing that one? So it's left to you people. That's one, the character sets, fonts, font sizes and styles. So when you are doing, for example, main project or mini project, university itself, they've given the instructions. You need to follow. Heading is, you need to follow this font size and bold or italic, all these things they've given it. Subheadings, what you have to do it, every page, left side margin, how much you have to give, right side, how much you have to give, top, bottom, and one after one another, how to arrange the papers, all these things, guidelines they have given. That is what the one. Next is icons, graphics, a link, a line, thickness, and use of the colors, backgrounds, highlighting and blinking. All these things you need to manage it. So here is nothing but what? So when you are doing online businesses, so everything should be linked one to another. So otherwise what will happen, if I'm clicking something, it is showing something else, it will be difficult. So I want to buy something means, so related to that items only should be displayed. That means what? Foreground, background, all these things they should manage according to that one. So when I'm clicking icons or graphics or whatever it may be, so lines, bars, rows, columns, all these things related to that should be displayed. That's what the third one. Icon, graphics, line, thickness, and use of the colors, background, highlighting and blinking, all these things. So next one is the four pillars of the design. Under this, second one is screen layout and issues. So what is that called? The screen layouts and issues. So again, you have the screen layouts and issues is nothing but when you are clicking items, home applications, if you are clicking under that home applications, what and all will be available. So in that case, menu selection. So in that menu selections, you will be having the different items here. Some of the examples they have given: form filling and dialog box formats, all these things. So for example, if they give some of the form filling, for example, Amazon, if you are buying something, you have to delivery address, you have to give it. So that when you are giving username, password, address only, they will be giving the address. So they will ask you whether you want to deliver to that particular address or a different address. All these things form filling. So when they are filling the form filling, they have to maintain the font size, all these things. So that's what this one, screen layouts and issues. Menu selection, form filling, and dialog boxes formats. So wording of prompts, feedback, and error messages. So all these things you need to take care. If they are getting error messages, what to be done? So you have to, that should be rectified. So when user is processing something, if they get error messages, so sometimes I'll write it something. So when I'm doing transaction, so it will be going processing going on. Sometimes it will stuck it. So amount will get debited from my account. So but it is not credited to the destination. In that case, I can take the screenshot and I'll send the messages because this is what happened. Please rectify it. So that they will be doing the processing, error messages, all these things. Next is justification, white space, and margins. So justification, white space, and margins. So next is data entry and display formats for the items and list. Next is use and contents of the header and footer formats. All these things they have to maintain it. Header, footer, all these things. Documentation, when they are preparing for their company development purposes, they have to maintain all these things. That means what? First itself, they should have the idea what I want the screen layouts. So my screen layout should be like this. So for that, border should be like this, color should be like this, and screen layout should be like this. Messages box, dialog box, icons, colors, background, foreground, all these things they should be documented and they should keep it first itself. So when you're before designing itself, I should be like this. That is what this one. Next is input and output devices. So input output devices. So this is, you know that what are all the requirements: keyboard, display, cursor, control, and pointing devices. Next is audible sounds, voice feedback, touch, input and other special devices. Next is response time for the variety of tasks. So input and output devices. So here is UID is nothing but looks like everything we know, that is true also, but under which topic which heading should come. So that you have to remember that. Once you remember that, you can able to write inside the messages. That is no problem. My exam repetitions only. So all these things you know that, you see. So these four pillars is nothing but everything you know that. But only thing is you have to write it in the structure way in the examination. That's it. Next is action sequences. So action sequences is nothing but so direct manipulation, clicking, dragging, dropping, and gestures. So these are the action sequences. So direct manipulation. So direct manipulations is nothing but so there itself. For example, I want to update the my communication address because I have entered somewhere and I have shifted my house and I want to enter that one. So direct manipulations also sometimes you need to provide actions of the sequences. So dragging, dropping. Sometimes drag drop options also available. So we should be keep they should keep it that one. Next is command syntax. Command syntaxes also. Command syntaxes is nothing but communication. So for example, customer support. So I'll type the message. So this is not happening. So sometimes they will be responding immediately through command line mode only. So that is what one thing. So for example, if you take Facebook online communication, so one to one, I want to talk to my friend if it is online. So just I will be chatting. So that is what also command line also you can take the example. So command syntax, semantics and sequences. Third one is programmed function case. So programmed function case. So suppose function case is nothing but suppose here you are pressing Control C, Control Alt, Control Del, all this. So there are also some of the things you can give the functions use how to use that one. For example, if they want to help, so just you can click F1. Suppose if you have forgotten how to processing that, so they can give the you can give the button for that. That is what the error handling and recovery procedures. Next is training. So online help tutorials. So this is what when so online tutorials. So the video you can make it how to do it, how to do the processing, all these things. Online help and tutorials. Next one is training and reference materials. You can give the training and reference materials. Which one it is required that can be given. Next is command syntax, semantics and sequences. So anything. So you when you are giving to the customers, you will be given video also, you can show it, but still sometimes it will be there. You can give training how to utilize that one. So that is what that one. Another one is command syntax and semantic sequences. For example, best example, if you take washing machine, so we'll buy it. So online helps and tutorials also are available how to use that one. Otherwise, when they are coming for the installation, they will tell some of the commands. First time when you are using, so we should know how to utilize that one. Somebody has to guide it, that one, how to utilize that. So that is what one. Next is command line syntax. The command line syntax, that is nothing but the helpline through helplines. So it can be done all these things. Next is in this also some of the informations are available. Provides the social process for developers. So social processes also should be given to the developers. Records decisions for all parties to see that one. Records and decisions. So everybody has to see that the availabilities when you are then they're developing the interfaces. Everybody should know that. Next is promotes consistency and completeness. Next one is facilitates automations of the design. Automations of the designing they have to make it. We have to give the facilitations. That means what? When we are developing that interfaces, when you are giving the interfaces, we should know they have documented everything. We have to see that. We have to develop that. Finally, we can give the automation for that. So automations for that. So after giving training all these things, so this one can be happening. So allow the multiple levels. So you have to allow the multiple levels also. So regret the standards, accepted practices. Next is flexible guidelines. So when you are giving the guidelines, that should be flexible. So otherwise, what will happen? It is difficult. So flexible guidelines also are required. Allow the multiple syllables is nothing but right standards, accepted practices, and flexible guidelines. Next is announces policies. So some of the policies they have to maintain that. So what are all the policies that? So education. So education is that is most important. So how to utilize that? So how to utilize that? So first is minimum education is required. So otherwise it is difficult to access. So at least minimum knowledge is required to access. For example, if you are having nowadays mobiles only, you take the example. So some of the uneducated people struggling. So some people will say we don't want all these things, basic mobile you give it. So some people, aged people will say, just I want only to give the call and to receive the call. So smartphones and all I will get confused. I don't want. So just I will be having the numbers, I will dial it and I will call it. So some of the people they don't know how to save all those things also. So that is what first is most important is education. So they should have some of the idea. They should have the education. If you say that, they should be able to follow that. So now enforcement. How reviews? Who reviews that one? Who reviews? So that is nothing but the who are all using that they can review it. For example, now feedback systems. So who are reviewing? You people are the reviewing how you are understood that. That is what you will be telling. Next is exemptions. So who decides that? So who will be the authority for the deciding for that? So deciding is nothing but somebody will be there to decide that one. So that is nothing but the other end. So here is if you give the feedback, who will be deciding that? So principals or HOD something like that. So next is enhancement. So how often? So when you will be enhancing that. For example, now mobiles if you are taking, there will be one model once in 3 months, once in 3 months they will be giving. So how often that? So previously they used to give yearly or once in 2 years, something like that. Now you see, if I purchase one mobile, so after 2 months, if you go to shop, they'll be saying, sir, that is a now they've stopped the manufacturing, you have to buy the other one. That is what they will say that is what they how often that one. So they will be having that. So because of the market, they have to go according to that speed, otherwise it is difficult. So we have to keep on changing their activities based on the customer satisfaction, customer requirement. They have to change it, how you will be giving the interfaces, all these things. So that is what the guidelines creation should be the social process within the organization. So that is what the social environment, social responsibilities, all these things. So social responsibilities also important. So whatever we are doing, so that is related to social responsibilities only. So that means what? So the surroundings should not be destroyed. So for example, plastic, if you say, so if you are putting into the outside also, it will not spoil that one. So that is the reason they have banned for that. So that is what the social responsibility. So whatever we are doing, so humans should not be affected. So some of the policies we have to follow. So when we are doing the businesses, so we have to do the some of the policies. Next one is user interface software tools. So user interfaces software tools. So here is what are the tools to be used. So here is I have not mentioned any points in this. So software tools is nothing but what? So for example, if you want to develop any application or any apps, so some of the software tools are required. So that is what the software tools. Surya Prakash, Reddy, Ajay, where is Ajay? Surya Prakash, right. Prashant, Prashant,
Yes, sir.
Reddy, what tools you are using for your mini project?
Arduino.
Arduino board. Okay. So, what are all the designing process you took it for your project? What is your topic?
Agriculture solutions.
Agriculture solution.
Solutions.
So, what is your destination? I mean, what is your output for that? Input and output. What you will be giving input, what you will be getting the output.
Automatic motor on and off, sir.
Automatic on and off, which one?
Motor, sir.
Motor. Already it is available, no that. Automatic on and off, it is available, no?
Based on humidity and soil moisture.
That's what. See, that is what you should have the designing process. So whatever existing is available, we should read it first. This one, the first we should analyze that. That is what the designing process. So now designing process means nothing but simply we cannot design whatever we want. So something is available. So what is it is not there. So humidity and testing. Based on that, that should on and off. Otherwise, so on ordinary on and off, what will happen? So agriculture, what will happen is if three phases will comes, means motor will run it. So that is it was there. So 15, 20 years back only we have installed that. So once night 10 o'clock it comes, automatically switch it will on it. So that is what the interface here is nothing but what interfaces software tools is nothing but. So what are the tools is required? So what tools you are using? Arduino board. Next, that is a hardware part. So what tools you are using for that? Prashant,
Arduino board, sir.
any tools for that you are using? That one only, Arduino board only.
Yes, sir.
Some tools will be available now. Okay, so here is interfaces tools. So to come interfaces, see he is using Arduino board and for that communicate systems and all these things interfaces tools. So Arduino board is separate. That is a board, no separate board, no Arduino.
Yes, sir.
So you have to interface for that system.
Humidity sensors.
Huh?
Moisture sensors and humidity sensors will be there.
Okay, so that's what you will be using. Some of the sensors you are using. Any sensors?
Moisture and humidity sensors.
Okay, so that's what they when he is using the items, so he has to interface that one to with the software tools. That is what they. So he has taken Arduino board and some of the sensors he will be taking. So he will be interface one to one. So that is what the interface use the interface software tools. So software tools, whatever you are using for your project, you should have the ideas. So that means what? So when you are using agriculture on and off, so you should identify it, which tool is suitable for the project. So before implementation, I should have the clear idea how to implement that one. Suppose if I take for that C++, I don't know whether I can be able to implement it or not. So that is what based on the requirement, which one will be suitable for that particular one. You have to identify the software tools, then you can use it. So that is what the user interfaces and software tools. Next is expert reviews and usability testing. So expert reviews and usability testing. So before releasing any test, they'll be checking. So he'll be using Arduino board for on and off based on the humidity and this. So what will happen first? You will be checking for that based on the soil, all these things, whether it will be working on and off. So he will be using some technology for that on and off. So how you will be checking, Prashant? So you have to check, you know, how you will check when you are running the program, humidity and all. Prashant,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
how you will check when you are checking that project here? Any idea or not yet?
Still not it.
Okay, so that means what, when you are checking that, you should have the, how you will be checking, because humidity, all these things, you will be taking the sensors. For that sensor, how you will be giving the, for example, dry. So wet is there, no need to on. If it is dried one, based on that, you should on it that one. So how to do it that one? So that's what he has to take some of the precautions for that one. That is one. So next is expert reviews and usability testing. So user expert reviews is nothing but we are doing the first testing all these things, then we'll be allowing to the somebody to use it. So when they are using that, they have to give the reviews and usabilities. So you expert reviews. So reviews is nothing but if it is working fine, they will be giving. So for example, we are seeing many cases, hotels, buses. So reviews will be there. So based on the reviews also sometimes we'll be taking that. So that is what the expert reviews and usability is testing. Expert reviews is nothing but once if they use for that, so expert reviews. Usability testing is nothing but, so when they will be, when they are using that, then they can give the reviews. So whether it will be good or not. So the process they will be asking how you feel it. Can you give the rating? So you'll be giving the reviews and rating. So what are all the methods they want, they can be following that one. This is what the four pillars. The first one is called the user interfaces requirements. Second one is the guidelines and documents and the process. Third one is nothing but the user interface software tools. Next one is expert reviews and usability testing. So for that, see, they have given is user interfaces requirements is nothing but the ethnographic observations. So ethnographic observations will be there. So guidelines and documentations is nothing but theories and modules. So you'll be writing that and will be given the theories. Next is user interfaces software tools is nothing but you will be having the algorithms and prototypes. So algorithms, what is required for the prototypes. Next is expert reviews and usability testing, that is called the controlled experiments. Controlling experiments. This is what the four pillars design. So take this and based on this only I'll be asking, I'll be sending the question today through Google Sheet. You can write it that one and send it. So what is the four pillars? You have learned it today. So four pillars is nothing but the user interface requirements, guidelines, documents and process, user interface software tools, expert reviews and usability testing. So all these things is called the four pillars of the design. So four pillars of the design. Next is who else is there here? Amit. Amit,
Yes, sir.
what you are doing, sir? What you are doing?
I study, sir.
What project you are doing?
Sir, air quality, sir, pollution monitoring system.
Air pollution?
Air quality pollution monitoring system, sir.
Okay. So, can you tell me the designing process for your project?
Yes, sir. First of all, use the sir Arduino board,
Uh,
and some sensors are will be used MQ35 air quality sensors,
okay.
and and also another will be used the sensors
Hmm.
MQ
Hmm.
MQE1 Wi-Fi chip, all
Hmm.
things, carbon
Hmm.
monoxide sensors,
Okay.
all
Next.
these will be tools, sir.
Hmm. So this is what these also you can think, that is what the designing process. Here also the same thing,
Yeah.
designing process. So air pollutions will be doing. So all these things we should have some of the ideas. So how you will be designing the process, and finally you have to make the you're starting only, you will be making the documentation. First what we'll be doing, we'll be roughly entering in the into the paper pen. So when you want to do it something, so what existing is available, you will be taking pen and will be writing. So documentations also will be done. So first interfaces requirements you will be finding out. So what are the interfaces requirements? So to do that project. So once you find that, that is what the next documentations we have to do it. So relay guidelines and documentation process how you will be doing. So next is section. Next one is nothing but the third one is user interfaces and software tools. What tools can be used to develop that one? Next is reviews and testing. So we'll be doing the testing. So that's what some of the times whenever you're doing the projects, software engineering will be telling the test cases. So test cases you have to check it out, because when it is going out, when the somebody is using, so you have to do the test cases. When what will happen when something goes wrong. So if everything to be taken care. So air, if it is more things comes, how to do it. So here is for the demo purpose sensor. This is sensor. This is Arduino board. This is the software. All these things will show it. So when it is coming out as a product, that they have to take it something like box or something. So even if rain comes, so all these things to be taken care. So that is what the usabilities and testing. So when you are first we are doing here is all the test cases we will be checking whether it will be working or not. Once it is ready, then we can convert it to the product. So all these things can be done. So that is what the four pillars. Now any doubt this, Apurva? Apurva, where is Apurva?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. So TD Apurva is talking, or regular students Apurva is talking? I mean lateral entry.
A regular student.
Regular Apurva only. Okay, right. So okay. So any doubts? Four pillars.
No, sir.
Okay, shall we move to next? Right. Next is developmental methodologies. Developmental methodologies. So how you will be doing the development methodologies? So here is some of the examples they have given. IBM easy of use development methodology specifies activities by roles and phases. So here they are given some of the example. That's it. So there is no specific process in this. Developmental methodologies is nothing but. So you have to take one example and you have to write the methodology for that. So how you will be developing. So sometimes when you are doing that one, they will be asking. So PBL you have done. What is the methodologies? Can you tell it? So these were the one examples they were given and how to do it this one. So here is role of the phases. All the phases they were given it. So the first one, some of the phases they were given it. So here is business opportunities, understanding the users, initial design, development life cycle, all these things. This one. So what is the AI and roles is nothing but user experience leadership, user relationship. So in this one is nothing but the role phases of the matrix. So here is next one is nothing but the user engineering plans and initial. So user engineering and plan final. So execution of the user engineering plan. So next is satisfaction of the established matrices. So next one is project associate. So satisfaction survey. So these were the, so they have one by one in the business model. So that is what the developmental models is nothing but what. Now you people also are doing the project. So what you will be doing, you have collected the software hardware requirements and you found that what is required for you. Next is, so one by one you will be developing. So for example, sometimes you want to pin code, username, passwords and all, you can give passwords. So one by one we'll be checking. The similarly here also, user engineering plan, one initial stage, next is pre-final, next is plan, and this one. That means what? When there one person will not be taking the final. So because when they are doing the projects, so two to three many people will be involving that. So one person will be saying, so suppose if you do this, what will happen if you do this. So some of the ideas, so how to utilize that one. So finally they will be coming to the one conclusion. So nowadays we are saying, for example, if they want to construct the bridge, all these things, so they will be talking. So finally, they will come to one conclusion. If they want to construct a lake or bridges or rivers or whatever, anyway, that is. So all these things. So when they want to do that one, they have the surveys. So road, when they are constructing, they have the plan. So which way? So how to curves to be planned, how to bridges to be that one, up and downs, how to make it, all these things. So that is what they want to make engineering process one, engineering process two, survey one, survey two, all these things. So civil department people will be doing that one. So right, that is what the this one. Next is marketing planning is nothing but business and market requirements. So that product business and market requirements, what is that? Next is appropriate the user requirements. So appropriate, based on that we have to find out the requirements. Next is draft marketing, draft marketing. So we have to give that draft marketing, all these things. So when the with these people also they have told, Prashant example. So sir, I want to find out based on the humidity switch and on and off. So when you are checking here, normally you will check it out. Again, you have to go to field, then they have to check it out first. Then we can give it to the selling purpose. So we have to check first whether it will be working or not. So that is what the process of marketing planning also. So draft marketing and detailed marketing, collaborative and final marketing, how to coming into the final marketing. So this is what the marketing and planning. So you should have the market and planning also. What is the process? So how to do it? So they have to use for that. For example, if even if you take car, what will be happen? So they will come to, they will use on road also, they will be checking all these things. Then only they will be releasing the items. So they'll be telling, so per liter 20 kilometers will come, or somebody will say 15 kilometers, somebody will say 5 kilometers. So all these things they have to check it out, that then only they can release. So that is what the marketing and planning. They should have the marketing and planning also. Next is users research. So users research is nothing but, so business opportunities required. Understanding the users is nothing but users requirement we need to find out, and appropriate design. So that is what the research is nothing but you people are doing. So who are all developing that. So that is what the users requirement and appropriate designing. So only these tools are required. Remaining development, this all these things not required. So we have to identify what is the things to be required to do that. So that is what the user requirement and appropriate design. Next is user explanation design. So for that also, understanding the users is nothing but the designing directions. So designing directions and conceptual design, low fidelity prototypes. So for this you have the detailed design, high fidelities, and designing the house. The similarly you have the visual industry design. For that you have the appearance directions, and you have the appearance guidelines and appearance specializations. So for the development. So these were the requirements for the visuals and individual design. Next is the last one is user experience evaluation. Users experience evaluations also we need to find out. So understanding the users is nothing but the competitive evaluation. Another one is called the conceptual designing evaluation. Conceptual designing evaluation and the detailed design evaluation. So users experience evaluation, we have to identify that, because when they are getting any problems or not, when they are utilizing for that, so what are the problems they will be getting. So other end as a customer we need to you have to interface that one. So then only you can go ahead for the further development process. So if they are not, nobody is satisfying there, so if you are going for other one also, nobody will buy it. So because you have to talk to them, if they're what still they are expecting comfortable other than that. So we need to find out, we need to document it, and the next version to be developed. That is what the interfaces you need to do it. That's what the competitive evaluation conceptual designing evaluation, detailed design evaluation. So competitive evaluation. So suppose if the same type of items, if it is other one is available, what is the competition? Maybe based on the rates, maybe based on the utilization. If their utilization, if they're getting any problem, something like that. That is what the conceptual and conceptual designing evaluation. Designing evaluation also we need to find out. Suppose if you are any problems, if you found that competition evaluation, you need to find out because your item is too high or too costly, so whether I can be able to reduce that one. So for that conceptual designing evaluation we have to go for that. Next is detailed design evaluation. So you can analyze entire designing evaluation process. So is it possible to still develop something or do something and for the improvement purpose. Next is you need to take always, this is there to reach the benchmarks, we have to take the feedbacks. That is most important. Users feedback and benchmarks and usage as the reports. We have to make the reports for that. Where went wrong, how to do it, all these things. So that is what the development methodologies with respect to one product, that is called the IBM's is of use development methodology, specifies activities by roles and phases. So they have some of the roles and phases. That's what we have to do. These were the example for the development methodologies. Okay. So here is we have the rapid contextual design. This we'll see in the next class. So this one example they were given. So we should know how it will be developing the process. So we should have first the development methodology also. So what I want to do it, how to do all these things. That means what, when you are developing, what are the process stages you need to go undergone that, how to test and how to give to the users once they are using, also any problems they are facing or not. If they are facing any problems, you have to get it and you have to resolve this. That is what you need to build. I'll be stopping today class. So I'll be sending one question that is called the quiz question only. So what are the 4 pillars we have studied? So that 4 pillars names you enter it in that and send it back to me. So that is what a Google Sheet I'll send it and enter it in that and send it to me. Right. Answer your attendance. 2. Answer attendance 2, 3, 4, 'Amit absent. 5.
Present, sir.
You tell after some time, sir. You tell after some time. Next class you tell it. 5,
Present, sir.
6,
Present, sir.
7,
Yes, sir.
8, 8, Bindu, 9,
Yes, sir.
10. Hey,
Yes, sir.
Divyesh, what happened? Why you are not attending classes regularly? Divyash,
Yes, sir.
you out of 6 out of 11 your attendance. 10.
Absent for only one class.
Huh?
I was absent for only one class.
Hey, don't say that every week I am calling, you are not responding only. Last class also absent. Continuously from 10th to 16th you didn't attend single class also. 10.
Yes, sir.
11. You should respond. Now connecting here and doing some other activities, it will not work out. When I'm calling, you should respond. 12.
Present, sir.
13. 13. Harini. Surya Prakash.
Present, sir.
Hey, for you, no, now you have joined. I called you a number of times.
Huh? Sir, my internet
Yes, sir.
Hey, don't play.
ಸರ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ ನೋಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇ
Sir,
ಇದ್ರೆ
13
after
present,
that,
sir.
when you have
ಇದ್ರೆ
joined.
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್
No extra attendance. So 10 minutes back also I called you. It was 44 only, now it is increased to 51.
ಹಾ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಫ್
No, why you not responded when I called you, tell me.
ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಸರ್
Ah,
ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್
Sir,
ವೈಫೈ
13 present, sir.
ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ದು ಹರಿಣಿ ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂತ
Sir, Harini present, sir.
ಆಯ್ತು.
ಗುಡ್ ಸರ್
Next 16.
Present, sir.
Where your name was not there. 17.
Sir?
Present, sir.
18.
Present, sir.
19.
Yes, sir.
20.
Present, sir.
22.
ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್
23. 24. Sahadev. 25. 25. Anand. 26.
Present, sir.
27.
Yes, sir.
28. 29.
Present, sir.
30.
Present, sir.
31.
Present, sir.
33.
Yes, sir.
34.
Present, sir.
50.
Present, sir.
51.
Present, sir.
52.
Present, sir.
53.
Yes, sir.
54.
Present, sir.
55.
Present, sir.
56. 56. Madhushri. 57.
Present, sir.
58.
Present, sir.
58 present, huh?
Present, sir. 58, sir, Fraz.
59.
Present, sir.
60. 60. Money. 61. Paresh.
Present, sir.
62. Hey, when I call Paresh, you didn't respond only.
Sir, you called Prashant, sir, not Paresh.
Okay. 62.
Present, sir.
63.
Present, sir.
64.
Present, sir.
65. Ramakrishna. Right. 66. Sadhana. Sadhana every day absent. Right. 68.
ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್
69.
Present, sir.
70.
Present, sir.
71.
ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್
72.
Present, sir.
73.
Present, sir.
74.
Present, sir.
76.
Present, sir.
77.
Present, sir.
Right.
ಬಾಯ್ ಸರ್
Bye.
Hello, sir.